Hello, it's Randa. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how my husband did a floating TV console. Super easy and also cheaply beautiful. This console is 50 by 10 by 12 inches, so we are going to need 2 planks of wood of 50 by 10 and 2 of 12 by 10. You will choose the thickness. We are going to sand the wood and we are going to use sanding sealer after. You can use a heat gun to remove any bubble, and once it's dry, we are going to stain the wood using a brush or a roll. We found that the roll leaves a lot of bubbles, so we decided to use a brush. Now here's a tip, if you don't have paint thinner, you can use gasoline to dip your brushes in and it will leave them really clean. We decided to paint the wall to give the room a different feel. This is a dark green paint and it will serve as an accent wall. Remember that you can always go to Lowe's and buy your wood there. Just take the measurements, they will cut the wood for you. That will save you a lot of time. And it's a free service, so that's always a plus. Now it's time to measure and mark where the pocket holes will be. He is using a pocket hole jig for this. Don't worry about the drip paint, we remove that later with sanding paper. To join the wood we use screws of 1 inch, then it goes screwed straight to the wall where the studs are. We went that way because the floating shelf brackets are expensive, or at least we find it that way. Now to protect the wood from water we use tank oil, which at the same time it gives it a really nice shine. This is the before and after. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.